vlog. So first vlog in a while. In this video, we will be reorganizing and updating my office. So as y'all know, if you've been following my plan with me and following me on Instagram, I started a new job. And so I work 100% remote. And with that, they sent 2 monitors, a laptop, and a full setup to work from home. And I have rearranged my office a bit, but want to make it more functional, make it look a lot nicer because I don't like the way it looks. So we're going to do that in this video. To give you all an idea of how the office has currently been looking since I started my new role. So that's part of the new desk, but I just wanted to show y'all the before. So I made this like somewhat, Sam and I called it a mega desk, like off the office. And it works pretty well. I don't like it because work is interfering with like personal, and it's just all in one space. And while it's pretty functional, right? Like it doesn't look too bad. Honestly, not a fan of how this looks, but it gets the job done. It works pretty well. And honestly, I could have gone, with just keeping this, but I really just didn't want to. So this is what I currently did. Nothing else changed, right? So I have my couch. I have my bar cart, or my planner cart, one of them, the other one's in the office, the little stand, and then we have the bookshelf. And so as of right now, my current thought process, and I haven't really thought this through, but I'm thinking of putting this back where it was, because I just don't like how this is angled, right? Again, it's functional, but I don't like it, and that's why I want to change it. So I want to put this back to where it was and then move this out. And then right now I'm thinking I keep my planner cart right here. We're gonna remove the couch and then we'll put my standing desk here. Although when I was sitting down, I was kind of thinking maybe I can put like my standing desk here and then I can put the couch here, but I don't know. We'll figure that part out once it's together. But again, I really want a separate work and like personal space. And that's just something that really helps me from working from home, and then doing school at home and also content creating. I just like having designated spaces, and so I just really want to separate these two, and then I think it'll also look better overall. So current plan, let's put the new desk together and then we'll figure out layout. All right, y'all, so it is actually probably like 2 weeks later, because I've been using this for like a week, but things just kept coming in like left and right, and I honestly just forgot to film. And then I was going through my list and realized I never finished this vlog. So we are going to do an office tour, and I'm going to show y'all how everything turned out. So I put my original desk back to where it was. Y'all know if I like something, I want it, and I just want to keep it there and not change it. And I loved this setup and this functionality, so I really wanted to have this back. And so put my desk back to where it was. This is going to be my school area and my personal like content creating area, just what I've always used it for. I put my mini fridge underneath here to save room, and I actually really like it because it's more convenient. Trash over here because it used to be here, so that way I can still use it at my new desk. And then here is the new desk. So it is a standing desk from IKEA, and you can adjust it however you like. I honestly use the standing portion more than I thought I would. I just wanted it for the option to be able to move it up and down based on, whatever I need. And I do find myself using the standing option more in the afternoon when I start to get tired, that coffee wears off. And there's just like sometimes where I'm just in meetings all day and I just want to stand to kind of like refresh. So really love that. I got another Ruggable. So this one's actually a padded Ruggable. And so I use the term padded lightly. It's definitely a little bit more, I don't know, it's hard to describe. So this is the normal Ruggable, and it's definitely flat, right? So it has like a very like thin layer. And this one, well, I can show y'all. A little bit thicker, right? But it's not like crazy thicker. But I wanted to get a padded version just because any additional support I felt like would have been great for when I stand. I also got this on sale at Target for like $16 in the back to school collection, so I can store stuff in here, which I haven't done yet. And then I also felt like the ottoman kind of bridges back that color of this carpet that needs to be vacuumed, and that way it kind of like matches, because I do know this is dark. I was actually talking to my husband because I wanted another rug in here and I just didn't know like what to get. Obviously, y'all know I love Star Wars and the Ruggables, and I was like, well, should I get another one of these, maybe in a different color or the same one? He was like, you know, it would look weird if you had like the two next to each other. And so I was like, you know what, that's right. And I do love this option. The black is kind of, wants attention. The black is kind of dark, but I do like it. So here is the desk setup, and again, this all originated from wanting a separate workspace, and I love it. And I love how it looks just because the desks are so different. I feel like making it a standing desk that's adjustable, it's just its own defined space. When I'm done for the day, I just don't use this desk, and I'll just transfer my daily / work planner over here. But I just love the distinct spaces, and I feel like it works because they look different but still look good together. I got this monitor stand on Amazon. I'll have everything linked below that I can link. I didn't need it, but I wanted additional space since this doesn't have drawers. And so I have like an acrylic holder down here so that I can put my pens. I can slide my planner like over here if I need to. And it also hides some of like the wires. This is the box that like holds all the monitors feed into to plug in. The best thing about this desk is that it comes like a little net down here. My husband's going through and like organizing all my cables because he's definitely like a cable management person. And we have this one cable going down, but yeah, I again love it. Works perfectly. In order to make this work, because I was considering placement for so long, and I decided to move my couch over here where y'all see Mira, and I'm going to get something on the wall. I honestly do not know yet. I'm thinking either like a comic, like 2 shelves to place comics, because I feel like that'll help bridge like the Star Wars. And then I have a lot of like comics that I want to put on display, or just some wall art, but I'm really bad at picking wall art. But yeah, wanted Mira to have, or us to have, the couch. Mira uses it more than me, but I also just love having it so I can like relax. And I do like the placement here because it makes it easier to watch TV now that it's over here, because I can just lay this way, right? And then I can watch TV. I have my suitcase out because I'm about to start packing today. My purse is over here. I got Mira's toy bin over here. Yeah, like the placement of this. And also, I really love how my bookshelf looks against the wallpaper. This was actually my husband's idea. And when I was like trying to reconfigure everything, I didn't like how close the couch was to the desk. I was like, you know, it doesn't make sense because you can't use that portion. Or like my head's generally over there when the couch was over here. Like I can't watch TV. And he was like, well, why don't you like put this over here? It's a lot more narrow and you'll have space. So like there's like a decent amount of space in between, right? But like I feel like it's perfect, and I just love the way that it turned out and that it looks. So I think mainly because all of the colors like just all go over here. And before, I don't know, I feel like with the books, I was like, well, it kind of like looks weird that it's primarily neutral, but there's some color sticking out. And now I'm just like, look at all this color, like it all kind of just all blends together with the wallpaper. So this is like the pop of color. And I do like having my printer over here for easy access, so that's nice. But yeah, Mira likes this rug better than the other one. But yeah, that is the updated office. And I love it. It's so functional. Again, using it for a little over a week now. So I'm kind of glad that I waited to do it, so that way I can also give you all a review. But yeah, other than that, that is going to be it for this video. If y'all have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching.